Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your Play Store on your Android phone. So open up your Play Store, or if you are using iPhone, go to your App Store. Next thing you need to do is to come down below right here, click on search, then type in GloCafe app, then hit on search. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you install this app. So click on install. After a successful download, click on open. So welcome to GloCafe. Next thing you need to do is to click on new user right here. Then it's going to take you right here. Then click on next, next, next. Enter your Glo mobile number right here. After you enter your Glo mobile number, click on here to agree to the term of service. Next thing you need to do is to click on request OTP. The next thing you need to do is to copy the OTP. This is the OTP right here. So you have the OTP right here, 137040. So come back here and enter the OTP 137040. Then click on submit. Next thing you need to do is to enter your PIN number right here. So click on here to fill up your PIN number. Then confirm your PIN number. Then click on submit. After you have successfully activated your GloCafe app, it's going to take you to the interface just like what you see right here. Now, next thing you need to do right here is to make sure you come down below right here, click on products. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on profile change. It's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to change to bracket 10 times. Next thing you need to do, so having chosen bracket 10 times, there are a lot of benefits with this bracket 10 times on Glo package right here. Click on subscribe.